Since the dawn of time, humanity has marveled at the moon, but its most precious secret lies where the sun never shines. Deep within the craters of the lunar South Pole, scientists believe there are vast reservoirs of ancient ice that have remained frozen for billions of years. This isn't just frozen water, it is the gold of the space age, a resource that could change the destiny of our species. In 2026, China's Chang'e 7 mission will embark on a historic journey to touch this darkness and claim a piece of the future. This mission marks the beginning of a new era where the moon is no longer just a destination, but a home. Why is water on the moon so revolutionary? It's because water is the ultimate multi-tool for space travel. It can be purified for drinking, used to grow food, and most importantly, split into hydrogen and oxygen to create rocket fuel. By harvesting ice on the moon, we create a cosmic gas station that allows us to travel further into the solar system than ever before. Without it, every drop of water must be carried from Earth at an enormous cost. Chang'e 7 is the first major step in proving that we can live off the land in the heavens. This mission isn't just about discovery, it's about survival and expansion among the stars. Unlike previous missions, Chang'e 7 is not just a single robot. It is a sophisticated fleet of 7 different spacecraft working in perfect harmony. The mission includes an orbiter to map the surface, a lander to touch down, and a rover to explore the rocky terrain. Most impressively, it carries a unique flying detector, designed to hop into the deepest, darkest craters where traditional rovers cannot go. This mini-flyer will use specialized sensors to sniff out water molecules in the shadows. This multi-layered approach ensures that no stone is left unturned in the search for lunar ice. It is a masterpiece of modern engineering and strategic planning. The landing site for Chang'e 7 is a place of extremes, the rim of the Shackleton crater. Here, scientists find the peaks of eternal light, high points that receive near-constant sunlight, perfect for powering the mission's solar panels. Yet just meters away lies a world of permanent shadow, where temperatures drop to -240 degrees Celsius. Navigating this razor-edge environment is one of the greatest challenges in the history of robotics. The lander must touch down with pinpoint accuracy to stay in the light while being close enough to the dark ice. It is a high-stakes game of light and shadow played out on a cosmic stage. Once on the ground, the mission's rover will deploy a ground-penetrating radar to see what lies beneath the lunar dust. This radar can detect layers of ice buried meters deep, hidden away from the vacuum of space. The rover will also use a specialized drill to collect samples of the regolith, or lunar soil, to test for chemical signatures of water. These tests will provide the first definitive map of how much water is actually available for future human use. Every centimeter the rover travels brings us closer to understanding the true potential of the moon. It is a meticulous search for the building blocks of life. Perhaps the most exciting part of the mission is the small, spider-like flying probe that will launch from the lander. Using small thrusters, this machine will fly directly into the shadowed craters where temperatures are cold enough to freeze air. In these cold traps, the flyer will use a mass spectrometer to analyze the vapor and frost on the crater floor. This is the first time a flying vehicle will be used to explore the interior of another world's crater. By venturing where the sun never reaches, this tiny explorer will shine a light on the moon's greatest mystery. It represents the pinnacle of Chinese aerospace innovation. China is not alone in this quest. The South Pole is the target of a new global space race. The United States, through its Artemis program, is also racing to reach these same ice-rich craters. This competition is driving technology forward at an incredible pace, benefiting all of humanity through new inventions and discoveries. While the race is competitive, the ultimate goal remains the same: to make humanity a multiplanetary species. The data gathered by Chang'e 7 will be a treasure for scientists worldwide, helping us plan the first international lunar bases. It is a race for resources, but also a race for the future of our civilization. If Chang'e 7 succeeds, it will pave the way for the International Lunar Research Station, a permanent base planned for the 2030s. This base will serve as a laboratory for science and a shipyard for missions to Mars and the asteroids. The water discovered today will be the lifeblood of that station, providing air to breathe and fuel to travel. We are witnessing the birth of a new frontier, where the boundaries of Earth are no longer the limits of our potential. The dream of a lunar colony is becoming a reality. As we look at the incredible technology of Chang'e 7, we are reminded of the vastness and perfection of the universe. The discovery of water in such a harsh, desolate place shows us that there is balance and provision even in the most unlikely corners of creation. Science allows us to uncover these hidden blessings and use them for the benefit of all people. As we move forward into 2026, let us continue to seek knowledge with humility and wonder. The moon is just the beginning. The entire universe is waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us on this journey through tomorrow's science. Keep looking up, for the stars are closer than they seem.